Machine learning, data distribution in Python. Dive into essential data distribution concepts for machine learning. Data distribution is a fundamental concept in machine learning, representing how data points spread across a dataset. Recognizing different types of distributions helps in selecting appropriate models and techniques for analysis. The normal distribution, also known as Gaussian distribution, is characterized by its bell-shaped curve. It is central to many statistical methods due to its predictable properties, making it a key concept in data analysis. Skewness measures the asymmetry of data distribution, while kurtosis evaluates the peak-ins. These metrics help in understanding how data deviates from a normal distribution, which is crucial for accurate analysis. Data transformation techniques like normalization and standardization adjust data distributions to improve model performance. These methods ensure that data is on a consistent scale, enhancing the accuracy of machine learning algorithms. Visualizing data distributions through plots provides a clear representation of data spread and patterns. Selecting appropriate plot types aids in interpreting distribution characteristics, facilitating better data-driven decisions. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.